Hey team, before we get into goal setting, the first thing we need to do is archive our goals from the last fiscal year. I'm going to show you how to do that in ADP in just a few quick steps. First, log into ADP, go to Myself, Performance Goals. Here you will see your goals for fiscal year 20. You're going to want to go to the three dots on the right-hand side of each goal. Go to View, Update Progress. Here, you're going to want to go to the status field. It says active. You're going to want to change this to complete and then save changes. Here you will see the goal is now complete. To archive this goal, you're going to want to go back to the three dots and then mark as historical. Make sure you select yes here to confirm. At any point, you can review your past goals at View Historical Goals here. Hope this is helpful.